knocking down block and that is not.
Okay, so looking back at Block E, Block 5, yeah, Unit 1's getting blocked up on the ground floor, swim pool access. And then 2, 3, and coming round.
5, 6, 7,
So, looking at the balcony space outside. Okay, so the view in the 34 square metre,
J109.
J109. You're gonna have the black glass balcony on, overlooking the pool. Wall will be landscaped. All be landscaped,
That'll be cut down as well.
overlooking the swimming pool, and then the view of the big pool. And then let's go to my living room. It's already coming to shape. This will be ready when?
We're trying for